She can't explain her feelings of happiness when she say her shahada.
Yes po.
Wala.
Ba't ka naiyak?
Hindi ko ma-explain.
Alhamdulillah.
Iba yung nararamdaman ko.
You feel something change, yung happy?
Yeah?
You feel light sa iyong sarili na maging magaan yung pakiramdam mo? Alhamdulillah. I believe that Allah forgive you and accept your testimony dyan. Alhamdulillah. So for that reason, because you read the books, you read about Islam sa mga libro, that is the reason why you want to embrace Islam.
Oo.
Alhamdulillah.
Tapos, yung madilim kong daan, mapupunta ako sa maliwanag na daan, di ba?
Yes, tama pa po. Kumbaga pa, from darkness to light.
Yan.
Alhamdulillah. So, ito ay kusa mo, kusa mo ito decision. Walang may nag-force sa'yo.
Wala.
So, when you saw my TikTok,
ano ako, nagbibisis kasi nag-aaral ako ng Quran.
Yes,
kung yung sa dasal, paano magdasal. So nagdasal ako tapos nag-scroll ako.
Yes,
Lahat kasi yung lumalabas na about sa Quran.
yes po.
Kaya doon nakita ko. Sabi ko, try ko nga ito i-message.
Alhamdulillah, nag-reply ako. Late prayer. Alhamdulillah that Allah answer your prayer, that you find someone to assist you and to guide you to the right path, inshallah. And alhamdulillah, I'm so happy that Allah trust me na I will assist you, inshallah. I will tell you and I will explain to you the message of Islam, how to embrace Islam, what you have to do. Don't worry, wag mo isipin mahirap. It's so easy. Lalong-lalo na pag yan ay bukal sa puso mo. Yan ay kusa mo, di ba? Napakadali, especially if it is your will. If it is your will, it's so easy and it's so quickly lang. It will go inside your heart, kumbaga. It will ka ba natanggapin si Allah na tunay na Diyos at karapat-dapat ng ating pagsamba?
Yes po.
At willing ka ba na tinatanggap mo na si Propeta Muhammad ay ang sugo at ang huling mensahero ng Allah?
Yes po.
Yes po. Ashhadu alla ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Takbir, Allahu Akbar, takbir, Allahu Akbar, takbir, Allahu Akbar. Congratulations po at welcome sa Islam chat. I'm so happy na nag-Muslim ka na. It is between you and Allah. Inshallah, you will become a good Muslim. Anong nararamdaman mo, chat? Yes po.
Wala.
Ba't ka naiyak?
Hindi ko ma-explain.
Alhamdulillah.
Iba yung nararamdaman ko.
You feel something change, yung happy?
Yeah?
You feel light sa iyong sarili na maging magaan yung pakiramdam mo? Alhamdulillah. I believe that Allah forgive you and accept your testimony dyan. Inshallah, ito na yung journey mo. Start your journey. I'm so proud of you na you accept Allah from your heart, Ya Rab. Don't worry. It is a new life for you. A new beginning for you, inshallah. Congratulations po, Cha.